Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to upscale your video using AI for free. Let's get started. This is CapCut, a revolutionary AI video upscaler tool that's changing the game. CapCut isn't just another video tool, it's your gateway to 4K brilliance. With its advanced AI algorithms, this free tool is here to banish those low-quality, blurry videos to the past. Imagine this, a single click not only sharpens your video, but also upscales it to 2K, infusing it with lifelike details. And the best part, it's absolutely free. Let me walk you through it step by step. Don't forget to show some love by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. First, head over to CapCut's website. You'll find the link in the description. Sign up and you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Look for the magic Tools button. Then scroll down and select the Video Upscaler. Now upload your video and watch as CapCut reveals its current resolution. Now let's work some magic. Click Upscale. And within moments, your video transforms. It's crisp, clear, and simply stunning. Here's a side-by-side comparison. The original and the upscaled version. To save your masterpiece, simply hit Export. And then download. With CapCut's free version, you get 600 seconds of video upscaling each month. Here's a little trick. Once you hit the limit, you can create another account with a temporary email to continue enjoying this fantastic tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.